Out of West, my man, you know it don't stop till the casket drop.
See what's going on, man. Come and get right, big dog. So that's why I'm taking my time, reassembling everything, putting everything back the way it was. Here, I had to cut that zip tie, another zip tie, another one. Good morning, everybody. What up, YouTube? We back at it the next day. I appreciate everybody out there supporting me, man. Like literally from day one to where we are now. I appreciate y'all more than anything, man. I be trying to figure out the smallest, simplest things to give back in certain different ways. So it's like, I try to do my part as much as I can. That's why, like I was telling y'all yesterday on my other video, that's why I tried to disassemble the silver bullet bike, powder coat the frame orange, because we already was there. I didn't have to do that. I chose to do that because I want to give y'all as much as I can in the product. So that's why we building the bike the way we are. But anyway, man, today's about to be a good day. I'm about to head to LA, drop some shoes off, pick up some parts, take some more parts to LA, get a haircut most certainly, man, because I've been looking crazy. But most importantly, one thing I learned, man, your appearance is everything in the business world. But at the end of the day, you got to get your hands dirty and get to it. So with me, a lot of that stuff come later. That's why I always got my button up on, my steel toes, because when it's time to get fly and have fun, we going to do that. But when it's time to get this work and make something happen, we're definitely, most certainly going to do that too. So that's how we feeling, man. But like I said, yesterday we cleaned a gang of shoes. Now it's time to lace them. So I do so much stuff every day. I'm telling y'all, if I had a real TV show and y'all really see every little move, I'm telling you, like, I'm like 10 persons in one. I do 10 people, different positions in one, literally every single day, from transporting, working, being a mechanic, video recording, video editing, cleaning shoes. Like, I'm telling you, it's so much stuff y'all don't even understand. But we're going to get to that later. Today, we're about to have a productive and great day, man. We had so much stuff going on yesterday, but you got to keep looking forward to a better day, man. That's all it takes, man, is that right, perfect, positive mindset and to keep going, man. So that's what we doing. That's how we feeling. Stay tuned, man. I'll see y'all in a minute. And make sure y'all enter to win into the silver bullet giveaway. We only got a few spots left. We literally is almost sold out. That's why I tried to rush and assemble the bike last night, but I'm going to get back to it today. I just got to go out there because my man's Ace got to school early. So that's the most important thing right now is to get out there on time. After that, we're going to come back out here and get to it, man. So I'm telling y'all, get in and win it today for $25 in the description below. If you haven't done it yet, go on BuiltByDre.BigCartel. Grab you some keychains or a hat. Man, we done finally got my dog out of school, huh, Ace? Yeah. Yes, sir. We in LA. We got the bars. About to drop some of those off. Just put up on my guys, man, at Westmont Exotics. Y'all see what's going on, man.
It's a whole lot of West, my man. You know it don't stop till the casket drop, man.
Yes, sir. Y'all see what's going on, man. Come and get right, big dog. So we finally made it to the house. What up, YouTube, man? We back out here the next day in the garage. We're about to get back to it. We're gonna actually get some work done on these bikes. I'm not gonna talk your ear off, but I'm gonna just update y'all what we're about to do. So today's gonna consist of, first, it's like 6, 7 in the morning, so it's freezing cold, so I got the heater on. We're about to take the Roadking and load it up. I went to the shop and I didn't see nobody to get no type of response. So today I got hope and faith we're about to try it again, except we're gonna load it up on the truck and have it with us. So stay tuned for that. We're gonna have that out of here on the truck, loaded up out of the way. With this joint, we're about to go ahead and get the last brake clutch line, all that good stuff going. So we're trying to finish this thing up today. So stay tuned for that. We're gonna call Harley and get what we need. But besides that, I should have this bike complete today. Mark my words, I got faith in it. This is my goal for today. Boom. This Roadglide right here, we're about to get going. We're gonna get everything assembled, get this thing as complete as much as possible because we are so close to selling out. I wanna have this thing on 2 wheels. I'm about to try to wire up the bars if I can get them from the powder coat today. We're gonna drop the legs off to the powder coat and we're gonna take some engine pieces off of the motor to the powder coat. So stay tuned for that, man. We're gonna have a lot coming for y'all. I cannot wait, so stay tuned. We get into it, man. Crazy. It is freezing. I have to get some gloves, y'all. This is ice. Oh, that's water now, but this is ice right here, baby. That's crazy. Freezing cold. But yesterday we went shopping in my mom and dad backyard. I had a lot of Camaro parts I had left back there for my previous cars I used to build in the driveway. This is a water pump. I thought the water pump was leaking yesterday, but it was an overflow. But besides that, we got oil pump. We about to go swap out a warranty. I got some rear lowering springs. I got my 6-speed manual pedals with the brake booster and the shifter because I had me a Camaro like that. I had converted from 6-speed to automatic. Shout out to my boy BUILTBYDRE. He helped me with that project literally over 7 or 6 years ago. I'm telling you, like before I was into the bikes, literally, man, we used to be working on the cars, but I know for sure I didn't know too much, and my boy Ray used to help me out so easy, so that was always cool. But stay tuned, man. I don't know what the hell is going on with this truck, but I swear I feel like this truck was just open. But we're about to get to it, man. We're about to get to it. We're about to load all this out so we can put the bike in the back of here, and then we're about to make it happen, man. It's so crazy. These cars are like a bunch of old trash to some of y'all, but I'm telling y'all, these is my cars that I love and always wanted when I was in high school. Like, I love these cars, like for real, for real. One man trash is another man treasure, baby. For real, for real. But like I said, man, I'm trying to get there. So little by little, we working towards it every day. As soon as I get that 2-3 acres of land with that big metal shed shop, I have me like 3-4 lifts in there with all the cars and everything. So I'm manifesting it right now on camera with y'all. So understand, man, I cannot wait. The time is coming. We will have the garage full of with my cars with no bikes or nothing, because everything will be at the land on the headquarters, man. So stay tuned, it's coming. That's what we grinding for right now, working, putting this work in. But let's get back to the program, y'all. We done finally got the bike loaded up, looking good. Remember I told you I just did the brake line. I seen the drop fall from the top, so that's why I put the towel up there. I gotta go. I tightened the top one, but I gotta go over the line piece to make sure that fitting is tight. We got it strapped down, secured, looking good, man. Got this thing juiced up, looking good, y'all. Oh, it's freezing cold out here, boy. This thing is iced up, looking good. But yeah, man, we got to get to it, man. We making it happen though. Y'all see what's going on? 6 in the morning, freezing cold. Ain't nothing to it though. Now we got some space. We about to get this thing going today, so this could be up next, rolling right out the garage, man. But now we got it going. A lot of y'all like, man, why are you holding the bike? Why are you procrastinating? Y'all have to watch the videos and listening. Like y'all don't be paying attention, man. Y'all gotta listen to your boy, man. If I could have all these bikes done the moment in a flick of a switch, believe me, I would love to. I would love to make everything fast forward, like real life. I didn't ask, but like I didn't expect none of this. Like that's why I need a lot of people to understand. Even with the silver bullet, I didn't know that frame was gonna be messed up. I didn't know the motor was gonna be cracked open. I didn't know all this stuff was gonna have to happen. So it's like we be forced to deal with things, but instead of complaining, I make the best of it. So in the midst of that, y'all don't be catching it. So y'all be hitting the, why this bike still here? I'm trying my best to get this bike going, but from a computer stance, if you sitting back just looking at the screen, I know you asking the same thing, but I'm in here doing things that's on camera, off camera. Some things I record, some things I don't. And that's the thing about it, man. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. What you do off the camera is what matters the most, more than what's done on the camera. And it sounds crazy, but people who know what I mean. But yeah, we about to get to it though and get these bikes on the way, man. Y'all see what's going on. We making it happen right now, baby boy. Yes, sir, man. We got the garage finally organized the way I needed to be in here, trying to get this done right now. So that's the whole thing about it, man. You can do all this stuff, but I don't like that dirty stuff scattered everywhere. So right now I'm about to blow it down, so I knock some little paint up from up there, organizing my light. So we're about to clean. We got everything cleaned up. We're about to just blow all this trash off the floor and get to it, man. But y'all see what's going on. We're working. Alright, so we got it going right now. I'm trying to get everything assembled 100% like it needs to be. But see, the thing is, it's not like what y'all see for the people who really don't know too much about everything broken down. It's not like, oh, the gas tank, the motor, this, that. There's so much other small stuff within that when you powder coat a frame. So that's why I'm taking my time reassembling everything, putting everything back the way it was with the zip ties. Nice and perfect. I like to have everything dealership looking like it was before. So right now, I was trying to, I don't know why this shit keep popping out, man. That's why I was trying to zip tie it. But, yeah, I tried to zip tie these right here to lift this up. So these could be flat. So the brake line could come from right there. I had to cut that zip tie, another zip tie, another one off flow. Straight down through there. So I'm about to zip tie these back to right here. So all that can go back. That's why I said, like, some people understand this process, some don't. A lot of think it's just boom, 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 which it could be, but I'm trying to take my time, not mess nothing up, make sure everything is 100%. So when it's fully complete like this, we could just fire it up. So that's the whole thing about it, man. Just a process of illumination. But let me know what y'all think about it. It's definitely looking good, man. I'm loving the silver with the orange. Like I said before, I'm powder coating these legs black. I'm gonna disassemble those today with the cans. We are going to take the bars off and put the new ones on there. We're going to have these, taking these off to get powder coated. And I already started a whole little corner over here of parts I'm taking to the powder coat. So we got the floorboards, primary, the horn, the motor support, and a few other things we're going to disassemble and take off today. So stay tuned for that, man, because we about to have it coming to y'all. But that's enough for today, man. I mean, enough for this video. I'm about to finish working today. So this is one of 3 videos I'm uploading today. So I'm going to see y'all in a minute. Enter to win. We slide it, not hide it, man.